Monopoly Disney Villains: How to Play. The rules are the same as regular Monopoly, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. There is no cash. Instead, there are coins. During setup, give each player 5 silver tokens and 5 gold tokens. The silver tokens are worth 1 money and the gold are worth 5 money. Shuffle the poison apple cards and place them face down on the board. Properties are called contracts, and utilities are called spells and potions. Each player takes their token's matching character card and places it face up in front of them. Put the flame of power by the board. Houses and hotels are called thickets and lairs. The minimum bid price of the last thicket or lair is 1 money. Whenever you land on or pass go, in addition to collecting 2 money from the bank, you also take the flames of power from another player or from next to the board and place it on your token. Whenever your token has the flames of power, you can use the character ability on your card. You can use your character ability as many times as you want, so long as the conditions are correct and you have the flames of power. When you land on a vehicle space, you may choose to move to any property on the board and follow the rules of the property you move to. If you pass go while doing this, then you do not collect 2 money from the bank nor take the flames of power. If you already have the flames of power and you pass another player, then you do not activate your ability. The price to get out of jail is 5 money, and since there is only 1 die, instead of rolling doubles, if you roll a 6, you are released from jail. If you don't roll a 6 by your 3rd turn in jail, then you must pay 5 money. If you go bankrupt, you are eliminated from the game. The last player remaining wins.